Hi there, Sandy here. I have got another dragon class for you. This time we are making a combination of two of my most popular dragons, the Ice Dragon and the Treasure Dragon. But we are creating a baby Ice Treasure Dragon. In it, I'll show you how to decorate and fill a treasure chest with all kinds of fun mixed media of your choosing. I'll even teach you how to make really cool painted glass dragon eyes. Then we'll go on to sculpt our dragons, and I'll show you all different ways that you can achieve storytelling and personality and visual movement and interest in your pieces. For this project, we will be adding applied scales to the entire dragon's body. I'll give you lots of tips and tricks for doing that. And although it's a lengthy process, it is so very satisfying and the results are stunning. This is a detailed project and you are just going to love making it in your own style with your own creative vision.